Finally, the day has come when I'm leaving Amravati. I came here on Thursday. It's already been 4 days. Today's the fifth day. We tried Tatkal for 4 days, but we didn't get direct Tatkal tickets to Kalyan from Amravati. So we connected a few trains. To be exact, I think 3 trains and 1 local train and 1 taxi. So today I have to travel in 4 trains and 1 taxi or bus, whatever I get, and have to reach Kalyan, which is 650 kilometers from here. It's going to be an interesting journey. Let's go. 693 kilometers है Mumbai. Inside the first train, which leaves from Amravati and takes me to Bhusawal. Yes, that's me running at the Bhusawal station. And why am I running? The train I was in, Amravati Surat Superfast Express, was supposed to leave Amravati at 9:05 am and reach Bhusawal by 1:10 pm. In between, it has 6 stops: Badnera, very close to Amravati, Murtajapur, Akola, Shegaon, Nandura, and Malkapur. Now, till Akola, the train was almost on time. After that, between Akola and Shegaon, the train stopped. It stood there for 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. My connecting train from Bhusawal was at 2:10 pm, which meant the buffer time I had was just 1 hour. The train, which had to reach Shegaon at 11:02, reached at 12:35, a delay of 1 hour 33 minutes. In the current scenario, there was no chance of me getting the connecting train from Bhusawal, but then the train roared like Junior NTR and sped its way to Bhusawal. When the train reached the vicinity of Bhusawal, it started gliding like a snail. As you can see here, it was 2:08 pm and the train was still to arrive at the station. Fun fact, my connecting train, which was Kalka Sainagar Shirdi Express, reached Bhusawal at 1:40 pm. That's half an hour before schedule. Finally, at 2:12 pm, the train reached Bhusawal and I started running like a madman to catch the other train. The train is here. I just need to find my bogie, which I think is D3. And do I see a D3 here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's D3. My ordeal was far from over. This train was supposed to reach Manmad by 4:35 pm, and from there I had to catch another train to Nasik, which left Manmad by 5 pm. As you can see, the time is 4:57 pm and the train is yet to reach Manmad. This is the toilet of Pushpak Express, not my actual train. As expected, I missed my connecting train from Manmad as my previous train reached 40 minutes late. So I went to the station master to ask for a refund. Now this train was standing on the platform where the office was. So the station master told me to ask the TC in this train whether I could travel in this given my situation. And the TC straight away said a no. So as I was going back to the station master to tell him what had happened, the train started moving. And without much thought, I got into the train. It was just a matter of 1 hour, right? Now you may be thinking, why am I in the toilet? So this is the coach layout of Pushpak Express, the train I am currently in. The station master's office was right next to this coach. By the way, M is the code for the new 3-tier economy AC coach. B is the actual 3-tier AC coach, A is 2-tier and H is first class. Basically the entire stretch was AC and hence I got into an AC coach. The TC I spoke to was right in the next coach and he knew that I didn't have a ticket for this train. So just to be safe, I spent most of the time in the toilet. Whereas I did have an AC ticket for the other train that I missed. Reached Nasik station and now I have to catch a rig till Dwarka and then a rig till Mumbai Naka, from where I'll get a taxi to Kasara. Instead of a rickshaw, I got into a bus. When I reached Mumbai Naka, I came to know that taxis towards Kasara goes from Dwarka circle itself after 6 p.m. So I came back to Dwarka. That's Dwarka circle. Here you can see a lot of taxis. All of these go to Nasik. And this is the Kasara railway station. We have to go through the tunnel over here. Kasara railway station. And that's the last train for the day, which is a local train and will take me to Kalyan in 1 hour 15 minutes. After a journey of 14 hours and 650 kilometers, I am finally reaching home, which at a point I felt was impossible. But where there is a will, there is a way. Subscribe.